Hello, this is Yasha, and this is my presentation explaining the impact of the scientific revolution and the conflict it creates in regards to the Catholic Church by me. So first, intro. Here I said that in the ancient times, the Catholic Church played a very important role in Europe. They made their own rules and their own belief, which didn't allow genius and smart people show their discoveries. The consequences were that either they say that they were wrong and say the church was always correct, because church always believed they were right, which means if you didn't apologize, you would be burned in front of many people. What is scientific revolution? What was actually scientific revolution? It was a revolution caused by scientists, which were trying to prove that to the people that the sun is the main of the solar system, and everything else revolves around, including Earth. However, the church never agreed with other people, so they stick with their own idea, which meant that the Earth was in the middle and everything revolves around the Earth. The people involved. Who were the people who involved in scientific revolution? These were some people that were actually involved trying to help out. It involved Isaac Newton, Rene Descartes, Galileo Galilei, Nicholas Copernicus, John Kepler, and Tycho Brahe. They were all involved in scientific revolution with their great ideas, trying to help out people. Catholic Church opinion. Catholic Church opinion. The Catholic Church opinion had the most power, and almost everyone had to respect them and all their ideas they came up with. If you didn't like them, you would be killed. The Church's opinion on the scientific revolution was very strict, so everything revolves around the sun. It was pretty much impossible to prove to the Catholic Church. So most people were killed by the church because they really didn't want to agree with them, and the church tried to keep most of the people down because it was easier to control them, and if they were smarter, they would understand something is wrong. What is it now? NASA. From a lot of years, we changed and evolved to good. We finally proved that the Earth rotates around the sun, and everybody agreed with that. But now people are even more interested. They want to explore the space, the galaxy. They want to go on Mars and live there, which was all pushed by one discovery of the moon. But that allowed all the people to continue. However, what allowed them all to continue was the church, who apologized 100 years after Galileo's death that they were sorry, which all led to this great discovery. Thank you so much for listening.